welcome to Helen's Kitchen. Today we'll be doing the Taiwanese braised pork belly rice bowl. So here I have 500 grams of pork belly that I've cut into 1 cm thick pieces, which I've marinated with 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce and 1 tablespoon of Shaoxing wine for more than an hour. And here I have 3 Asian shallot finely diced and 1 bulb of garlic minced, then dried Chinese mushroom that I've soaked in hot water for 30 minutes and drained and finely diced. And here I have half a cup of Shaoxing wine, and here's 1 tablespoon of minced ginger, 3 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 3 tablespoons of dark soy sauce, 40 grams of rock sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, and 1 teaspoon of 5 spice powder, and I will need about 1 liter of water at the end. The wok and then spray a thin layer of oil, and then you add in the pork belly. Make sure you spread out the meat. And cook it until it changes color. Okay, this is how it looks after about 5 minutes. It's all brown, but you can see there is liquid. So now what we have to do is to cook out the liquid and make sure that the pork belly is dry before we go to the next step. Just make sure you stir it and every once in a while so that it doesn't burn, and dry up the liquid. So after about more than 3.5 minutes later, this is how it looks. So the water has dried up. You can add in the shallot and stir. Make sure that the shallot doesn't burn. After a minute, add in the garlic, stir to mix well, and fry for another minute. Now, after a minute, you add in the ginger and stir fry for another minute. So after the minute, add in the mushroom and stir to mix well until you can get the aroma of the mushroom out, which is about almost a minute or less. This is about after 50 seconds. You can add in, it's already very fragrant, in the 5 spice first. Mix. And the soy sauce. And the pepper and the Shaoxing wine. And lastly, water, the 1 liter of water. And bring it to a boil. Oh, and lastly, rock sugar. And then bring it to a boil. If it comes to a boil, you can lower the heat and let it simmer for about an hour. We'll check it in an hour. How it looks after an hour of simmering. So now it's done. We can turn off the heat. Okay, so now we will assemble the rice bowl. Here I have a bowl of rice. Then while the meat was simmering, I have blanched some bok choy. So because the dish is salty, you have to balance it with some vegetable. And then also I have made the hard-boiled egg. So this is how you serve the rice bowl. Enjoy your meal.